Abidjan R&B Club. Abidjan R&B Club. Dans le Moi Médialo. Dans le Moi Médialo. Radio Talk Show Live.
Qui avait dit qu'on ne pouvait pas tomber amoureux à Abidjan? Qui? C'est pas vrai. Je suis tombé amoureux à Abidjan. Car Abidjan, c'est comme New York pour moi. Et elle se connaît. Et ça, c'est pour elle. Oh. My queen.
Makes you change your ways, like hanging with your
So special.
Said you act like you ready, but you don't really know. And everything in your past, you wanna let it go. I've been there, done it, on the round. After all that, this is what I found. Nobody wants to be alone. If you're touched by the words in the song, then maybe you got it bad. You want hang up and you call right back. Oh, you got it bad. And if you miss a day without your friend, your whole life's off track. Oh, you got it bad when you're stuck in the house. You don't wanna have fun. That's all you think about. You got it bad when you're out with someone that you keep on thinking about. It seems like just the other day that we hooked up. I was driving, you was walking, and I swooped you up. From that moment on, I knew you were the one. Yeah. I was single, you was lonely, and we fell in love. We would sit and talk for hours about anything. Baby, you hang up, no, you hang up on 3 hang up. I bought you whip, I paid you and I gave you everything. Said you'd always be my baby, then you don't leave, cause I really wanna love you. So what you
Don't you ever try to leave me, baby. Alright? Don't leave, la chanson c'est Donell Jones. Bien avant c'était Tyrese. How you gonna act like that, baby?
Dressed in red and set up for 2, yeah. What I wanna do to you. Let me do the things that turn you on. So don't you try to fight it, girl. I promise you gon' like it. I got plans for you, for what I'm ready to do. So let me taste your love, girl. Don't you leave. Cause I really wanna love you. So yeah. What you wanna do? I gotta be the what you wanna. I don't know. What's it gonna be? Say what's it gonna be? Tonight. So what you wanna do? I gotta be with you tonight. Don't leave, cause I really wanna love you. So what's it gonna be? Check it out, man. I need you here with me. Please don't try it on me. I'll put some money on you. It's a sticky situation that we're about to get into. First, you know your needle, slowly work it down. I'm feeling for your love. I got to have it now. Girl, what's your pleasure? I'm down to do whatever. And when you think it's done, girl, I've only just begun. I've got plans for you, for what I'm ready to do. So let me take your love. Girl, don't you leave. Don't leave, 'cause I really wanna love you. So what you wanna do? I gotta be with you. Baby, don't you go away, yeah. What's it gonna be? I need say what's it gonna tonight. Don't leave, baby. So what you wanna do? I gotta be with you tonight. Don't leave, I wanna love you. So what's it gonna be? I need you here with me tonight. Don't you leave it, don't you leave it, don't you leave it tonight. I've been waiting for your love, baby.
Hey guys, let me tell you, if you guys are like a girl, you should never ever give up, you know. Whenever you get on a girl and she's like, no, I don't like it, I don't want to hook up with you, you know, what you gotta do is to just persevere, you know. Perseverance, baby. Persistence. Y'all gotta persist, you know. This is the only way to convince any woman, any female, you know, to kind of, you know, hook up with you. You just don't want to go ahead and back up whenever she says, no, I don't want to be with you. That's what you gotta do. TGT.
I wanna swim in it all night. Girl, your body belongs to me, belongs to me. I want my hands tattooed on your body, baby. Sex ain't never felt better. I wanna swim in it all night. Girl, your body belongs to me, belongs to me. I'll be a sex slave. Sex ain't never felt better, babe.
L'album est disponible, il vient de sortir. Et en fait, c'est le single que vous écoutez en ce moment, Sex Never Felt Better, TGT, Tyrese, Tank and Gino Wine. Toi, tu attends un peu, car ça, c'est un peu spécial, trop spécial même. Alors, j'adore quand les auditeurs font des propositions comme celle-là. Elle est trop belle, cette chanson de Charlie Wilson. Elle s'intitule A Whisper en duo avec Keith Sweat. C'est une proposition faite par Monsieur Yves Roland Oussou, auditeur du Abidjan Soul Hip Hop and R&B Club, baby.
Seems like a perfect day to say what I've been wanting to say. Don't worry, baby, it's okay. Everything is just great. I ain't ashamed to say how I feel when it comes down to you. So many ways to communicate. For me, it's only one way. I could sing it in a letter, I could text your phone. Hit you up on Twitter cause you stay logged on. Even fly a plane, write it in the sky. But it's better, girl, if I wanna whisper.
Abidjan R&B Club, Abidjan R&B Club. De 17h à 18h dans le Moi Médialo, dans le Moi Médialo Radio Talk Show Live.
I really do hope that you're all having a good time listening to the Abidjan Soul R&B Club. Proposition de Yves Roland Oussou. Merci à ce sympathique auditeur qui vient de prouver qu'il y a des connaisseurs de soul et de R&B du côté d'Abidjan. Et il y en a pas mal. Alors, maintenant, vous savez, ce sont les 10 dernières minutes où nous faisons ce fameux medley que vous aimez. 30 à 60 secondes de plusieurs jolies chansons. On va démarrer avec Aliyah Baby. Extrait de l'album One in a Million, on se souvient.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me let you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
C'est bientôt les vacances. Bonne chance en tout cas à tous ceux qui ont l'examen, à tous ceux et toutes celles qui bientôt auront des examens à affronter, à subir. J'arrive, baby. J'adore cette chanson.
And if it came in a sack, no stems, no seeds in a bag, I could remember. And if it dripped from my wrist and it looked like it shine like blue, then I could remember. But oh, yeah, I forgot to be a lover. If it wasn't for the 9 to 5 doubled up overtime, then I could remember. If it wasn't for the Sunday All-Star Weekend game, girl, I could remember. And if it wasn't for the dough, the 50 Jesus show, girl, you know that I could remember. But silly me, oh, tell me how could I ever forget to be your love? Never realize that you need love too. Oh, yeah. Spend my life making up to you.
Je vais l'offrir à une amie qui nous écoute en ce moment du côté de Minnesota. Elle c'est Donna Wilson. J'oublie surtout pas Petrodollar qui est à San Francisco. Hein? Toi aussi quoi. Terry Johnson, Chéri Coco, éternel, du côté de Paris. Vous êtes sympa. Aboubakar Soumaro. Merci à vous monsieur.
My bubble not just dough, but a show that you know she is worth your time. You will lose if you choose to refuse to put her first. She will and she can't find a man who knows her worth. Cause a real man knows a real woman when he sees her. And a real woman knows a real.
When a real man sees a real woman, he knows. When a real woman sees also a real man, she kind of recognizes that man, you know. Quand un homme de valeur voit ou rencontre une femme de valeur, il la reconnaît tout de suite. Et c'est pareil dans le sens inverse. Quand la femme de valeur rencontre un homme de valeur, elle le reconnaît tout de suite. C'est de cela que Alicia Keys parle dans cette chanson. Nous avons successivement écouté Aaliyah, One in a Million. Rest in peace, Aaliyah. Jaheim, Put That Woman First, and Alicia Keys, A Woman's Worth. Joe, Good Girls. Alors, je t'ai pas oublié, Maria, et toi aussi, Emilienne. Je t'ai dit, fais une dédicace, je crois. Et Sophie qui intervient. Sophie, t'exagères. Je t'aime quand même. Mustapha, Abbas, Nadia, comment ça va? Adi, ça va? Et Aïcha Barry qui vient de me déposer un super message. Mohamed et moi et ma dédicace. Aïcha, c'est pour toi, Barry. J'oublie pas Patricia Green qui est à Northwest Vista College, dans le côté nord-est de New York, bébé. Et Gail Davis, Angela Asante, elle qui est au Ghana à Accra. Je veux dire bonsoir également à Naomi Diallo, à Dave Adabra, à Natalia, Jeneb Kamara et Swale Amidou. Fatia, du côté de Montréal, je ne t'oublie pas. Camille Cissé, merci. Samira, merci également. Patrick Caboret, il est à New York. Merci également. Aboubakar Diallo, merci. Serge Bello, merci. Bonsoir également à Sylvie, à Kelly et à Olivia qui habitent la rue des Jardins. Elles sont toutes les trois ensemble à la maison et elles envoient un super coucou à toute l'équipe du Abidjan Soul R&B Club. Bien, c'est noté, Kelly, Olivia, Sylvie. Je vous fais un gros bisou à toutes les trois et merci de nous écouter. Il est temps de dire au revoir à tous ces auditeurs et à toutes ces auditrices et surtout recommander de la prudence sur les routes. Il pleut si je ne m'abuse sur Abidjan, en tout cas c'est ce que je vois de par la baie vitrée. La semaine elle a démarré en douceur avec beaucoup de classe Et ça va continuer. Restez sur la radio qui, bien sûr, vous rappelle que vous êtes important, quel que soit votre statut social. Et que tout ce que je veux, moi, est que vous vous sentiez bien, quel que soit ce que vous possédez. En voiture, tout doucement, s'il vous plaît. J'insiste, je persiste et je signe. On se retrouve demain à partir de 16h. Karine. Special lady. How you doing, girl?
Baby girl, I'm what you have.
You'll be needing me, but too bad.
Be easy, don't make decisions when you're mad.
The path you chose to run alone.
I know you're independent, you can make it on your own.
Here with me, you had a home.
But time is of the essence, why spend it alone, huh?
Abidjan R&B Club. Abidjan R&B Club.